If quantum fluctuations give rise to multiple universes from within that quantum foam, then what do we call this entity? Multiple universes being born? The multiverse, of course. The multiverse. I've given some of the theoretical arguments in favor of it, but there's also historical, philosophical arguments in its favor as well. Let's go back in time. There was a day when Earth, pre-scientific era, there was a day when Earth was imagined to be all there was. Everything else orbited around us. So Earth was singular, unique, large, and important. We would later learn that Earth is just one of many other planets. The planets that we saw in the night sky were not something smaller and lesser than we are. In fact, among planets, we're actually quite small. Jupiter has storm systems in its atmosphere bigger than the entire planet Earth. So that'll set you straight right quick once you make those comparisons. So we learn that there's not just one Earth, there are many planets in orbit around the one sun. Of course, our sun is special, it's big and it's bright. And look at those stars in the night sky, they're just small and dim. No, they're just far away. In fact, the sun is not even unusual among stars. It's not the biggest or the smallest or the brightest or the dimmest. It's kind of average, actually. So we learned that our sun is just one of countless other suns, evolving in our mindset from a time when we imagined the sun to be unique in the galaxy. How about the galaxy? The Milky Way. We see the band of light in the night sky. Surely that's unique, yeah. We're the one galaxy that comprises the universe. Nope. As we've said many times, Hubble showed that our Milky Way galaxy is but one of countless billions of galaxies in the universe. The universe. How about the universe? Surely there's only one of those. There we go again. You want the universe to be singular? Nothing before this has ever been singular, in spite of our urges to require that to be true for them. In fact, as far as we can tell, there's nothing in the universe that comes in ones. Perhaps not even the universe itself. So, this actually gives us a place to stand regarding that perennial question, what was around before the universe began? Perhaps we began as a single quantum fluctuation among countless others in a hyperdimensional multiverse. But, of course, that just shifts the question to a new paradigm. What was around before the multiverse? Or, better yet, if indeed the universe never makes anything in ones, not even the universe itself, then perhaps the multiverse from which we are born is part of a system of multiverses, and that part of a system of those, and so forth. Given that we started all this thinking that Earth was something special in the center of the universe, it can be quite a blow to one's ego. But only if your ego started at the beginning of the day much larger than the cosmos can justify. So we take this fact and use the trend line in the history of our discoveries to try to never have an unjustifiably large ego. Because just wait a few decades, at most, we're going to find something about the universe that puts us in our place. And such is the continued progress of our discoveries about our place in the universe.